So science and government has three key roles. So we do quality applied science, which we use to inform our decisions. We enable others to do science, so that's through providing data or standards or frameworks or expert advice. And the other really important role we have is to facilitate partnerships. So that's where we bring stakeholders and researchers and key science people together, and collectively we might solve a problem or create an opportunity through science to inform management and policy.
Universities are publicly funded organisations, and it's really important that we make our research relevant. So the opportunity to be able to partner with state government in a conference of this kind to see what they see as the major issues and to make our research or direct our research towards solving those problems was a really important feature of what happened through those few days.
But the idea behind this was to get all of the sectors together, so the researchers, decision makers both within government but also the NGO community, and also landholders together to share the science that is being generated every year within South Australia around NRM.
The key benefits for the 2016 conference were largely around, well, networking was amazing. It was terrific to have a space for a gathering, such a large gathering of practitioners and researchers from across the state. That was amazing. It was a terrific opportunity for NGOs to put an abstract to present. It was an opportunity for NGOs to hear, to have their work reinforced in terms of different kinds of work happening across the state.
Much of the science was picked up straight away by policy and decision makers. As an example of that, there was a talk by a PhD student at Adelaide University on the impact of prescribed burning on threatened bird species in the Mount Lofty Ranges. And there were a couple of threatened fauna specialists from the region came along, listened to that talk, and within 2 weeks they'd changed their policy and planning around how to manage prescribed burning in threatened species.
The research that I presented at the conference, what we've been looking at in our lab is the potential use of a native parasitic vine, Cassytha pubescens, as a novel biocontrol for major invasive weeds in Australia. You know, if we can come up with a novel biocontrol to control these major weeds, you know, that's a good thing, seeing that these weeds cost tens of millions of dollars annually to eradicate and control, let alone their incalculable costs to our native biodiversity. Yeah, so I think it really shines through the people at Juna that they understand that joining forces with others, sharing knowledge, sharing resources really strengthens their ability to tackle the big questions and come up with innovative solutions that provide positive outcomes that end up benefiting Australians and the environment in the best and quickest way possible.
Oh, look, I think South Australia is such a big landmass with so few people in it, and we've got so many problems to deal with in land management. And with climate change a reality now and getting worse into the future, we really have to harness the resources we've got as well as we can. So to bring everybody with an interest together and to get them all talking with common purpose was just amazing, and it really took us a long way forward from where we were prior to it.